Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by acting immediately. Time buys you success. You blot the stain with a clean cloth to lift surface material, then apply a small amount of dish soap or an enzyme cleaner. This breaks oils and proteins at the fiber level. Once done, work the cleaner gently into the fabric with your fingertips or a soft brush. This opens the stain so it can be rinsed away. Make sure to test an inconspicuous seam first so color won't shift. You flip the garment and rinse from the back so the stain is pushed out of fibers, not deeper in. Next, agitate the stained area with a soft brush for 30 to 60 seconds. That mechanical action loosens trapped particles. Once the fabric responds, soak it in warm water with a teaspoon of liquid detergent for 15 to 30 minutes. Enzymes and detergent continue breaking the stain. After soaking, check the spot. If it lightens, proceed to wash normally. If not, repeat targeted pretreatment. You run the full wash using the hottest safe temperature per the care label because heat helps remove remaining residues, but be careful. Never tumble dry until the stain is fully gone, since heat will permanently set it. After washing, inspect the area against the light. If any trace remains, repeat pretreatment and wash again. If the spot persists, soak in oxygen bleach per package directions. If nothing works, one tip: avoid heat and consult a professional cleaner to prevent irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.